Define a chemical reaction. Answer. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances, reactants, are converted into one or more new substances, products, with different properties. What is a chemical equation? Answer. A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction where reactants and products are expressed using their chemical formulas. What are reactants and products in a chemical reaction? Answer. Reactants, the substances that undergo a chemical change. Products, the new substances formed after the reaction. Why is it necessary to balance a chemical equation? Answer. A chemical equation must be balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass, which states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Balance the following chemical equation. H plus O right pointing arrow HO. Answer. 2H plus O right pointing arrow 2HO. What are the different types of chemical reactions? Answer. The main types of chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction, redox reactions. Give an example of a combination reaction. Answer. Cow plus HO right pointing arrow CaO. Quicklime reacts with water to form slaked lime. What is a decomposition reaction? Give an example. Answer. A decomposition reaction is one in which a single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. Example. 2HO right pointing arrow 2HO plus O, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. What is a displacement reaction? Give an example. Answer. A displacement reaction is one in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Example. Zinc plus Cuso right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu. What is a double displacement reaction? Give an example. Answer. A reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds. Example. Agno plus Nacl right pointing arrow AgCl plus Nano. What is oxidation? Answer. Oxidation is a process in which a substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen. What is reduction? Answer. Reduction is a process in which a substance loses oxygen or gains hydrogen. What is a redox reaction? Answer. A reaction in which both oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously is called a redox reaction. Example. ZNO plus C right pointing arrow zinc plus CO. ZNO is reduced, and C is oxidized. What is the difference between a physical change and a chemical change? Answer. Physical change, no new substance is formed, only physical properties change, e.g., melting of ice. Chemical change, a new substance is formed with different properties, e.g., rusting of iron. What happens when magnesium ribbon burns in air? Answer. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, producing a bright white flame. Equation. 2 mg plus O right pointing arrow 2 MgO. Why is vinegar added to baking soda in a volcano experiment? Answer. Vinegar, acetic acid, reacts with baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, to produce carbon dioxide gas, which creates a foaming effect. Equation. NaCO plus CHQ right pointing arrow CO plus HO plus CHQ Na. What is the reaction when iron reacts with copper sulfate solution? Answer. Iron displaces copper from the solution, forming iron sulfate and copper metal. Equation. Fe plus Cuso right pointing arrow FeSO plus Cu. What is the chemical formula of rust? Answer. The chemical formula of rust is FeOXHO, hydrated iron, 3, oxide. What type of reaction occurs in the electrolysis of water? Answer. It is a decomposition reaction, where water splits into hydrogen and oxygen gas using electricity. Equation. 2HO right pointing arrow 2H plus O. What is a precipitation reaction? Give an example. Answer. A reaction in which an insoluble solid, precipitate, is formed when two solutions react. Example. Bakal plus NaSO right pointing arrow Baso, precipitate, plus 2 Nacl. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Answer. Magnesium ribbon is cleaned with sandpaper to remove the oxide layer formed on its surface, which which can prevent it from burning efficiently. What type of reaction is involved in the digestion of food? Answer. Digestion is a decomposition reaction because complex food molecules break down into simpler substances. What happens when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight? Write the chemical equation. Answer. Silver chloride decomposes into silver and chlorine gas in the presence of sunlight. Equation. 2EgCl, right pointing arrow to Ag plus Cl. Why is respiration considered an exothermic reaction? Answer. During respiration, glucose reacts with oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP, heat. Equation. CHO plus 6O, right pointing arrow 6CO plus 6HO plus energy. What is corrosion? Give an example. Answer. Corrosion is the gradual deterioration of metals due to reactions with oxygen, moisture, and other environmental factors. Example. Rusting of iron. Fe reacts with oxygen and water to form rust. What are endothermic and exothermic reactions? Answer. Endothermic reaction, a reaction that absorbs heat, e.g., melting of ice. Exothermic reaction, a reaction that releases heat, e.g., combustion of fuel. Give an example of a thermal decomposition reaction. Answer. When calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Equation. CaCO, right pointing arrow cow plus CO. What is meant by the rancidity of food? How can it be prevented? Answer. Rancidity occurs when fats and oils react with oxygen, producing a foul smell and taste. Prevention methods. Adding antioxidants. Storing food in airtight containers. Keeping food in a refrigerator. Why is double displacement reaction also called a precipitation reaction? Answer. In some double displacement reactions, an insoluble solid, precipitate, is formed, making it a precipitation reaction. Example. Bakal plus Naso, right pointing arrow Baso, precipitate, plus 2 Nakal. What happens when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? Write the equation. Answer. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Equation. Zinc plus 2HCl, right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. These additional 10 questions further strengthen your understanding of chemical reactions and equations.